Hello everyone, Steve again. I'm going to be doing another reaction video again, and this time I'm reacting to Scoop Entertainment more of his newest video that he recently uploaded today, just recently. And the video I'm going to react to is called Trying to DQ Pumpkin Pie Blizzard. So yeah, I'm going to react to it. So before I'm going to start this reaction video, I want to get a disclaimer. If you do not like the content I make, the reaction videos, or any of the other stuff I do on my channel, if you don't like them, then don't watch Go somewhere else. Because the only thing you're going to be doing is jamming a view, and that's the damn truth one. That's the damn truth, and nothing but the truth. So yeah, it's not about further ado. And also, if you like the stuff I do on my channel, make sure you give it a like, subscribe, and turn those notification bells on every time I upload. It's not about further ado. Let's get to the video right now. Let's get it right now.
What's so funny, TSL?
Disco ball! Disco ball! Disco ball!
Disco hard. I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with disco ball. Disco hard. I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with disco ball. Disco hard. I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with disco ball.
Hello, everyone.
Yo!
I hope everybody's awesome and safe out there. Well, today we're going to do a review on the Dairy Queen Pumpkin Pie Blizzard. I got a small. This is the pumpkin pie. I've never had the pumpkin pie Blizzard. They have it every year at this time. It's come out back on the 28th. So it's a little melty because I had it sitting in the car for a few minutes in traffic. But I was gonna do a review in the car, but I don't have. They didn't give me no napkins in the drive-thru, so I didn't realize it until I was already gone. That shoot, I don't got no napkins. So I waited until I came home, and there you go. Got the whipped cream. It's good. That is really good, guys. This is really good. It's a soft serve vanilla ice cream with pumpkin flavor and then pumpkin pie pieces. I gotta say, I like this. Of course, I like pumpkin pie and pumpkin spice. Yeah, this time of year it's popular. But that is really good, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Really good. And I think they have a snickerdoodle Blizzard. This is part of the fall lineup. So this is the fall lineup. I gotta say, you get the pieces there. This is really good. If you like pumpkin. If you like pumpkin. I just happen to like pumpkin. So this is really good, guys. It's hard to stop once you get started.
Oh, yeah.
But hey, I give this 2 thumbs up because I really like this. So this gives me my 2 thumbs up. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed this review on the Dairy Queen Pumpkin Pie Blizzard. So I hope everybody enjoyed it. So it's my thumbs up. I love it. If you like pumpkin, you'd like this. Definitely. If you like pumpkin. But I think it's just right. So everybody have a good one. And thanks for your support, everyone. You guys are all awesome. I appreciate everyone.
What's so funny, TSL?
And I'm going to be done with the video right there. So yeah, and that's the end of this reaction video. And I hope you guys like this reaction video, and I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys do like it. If you don't, then I don't care. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn those notification bells on every time I upload. and share my videos, react videos, and other videos on my channel to your friends and family. So if you want, it's your choice, because I am making ya. So yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to Disco Bob Entertainment more if you're new. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And road to 3K subscribers. Hope you get it. And see y'all for more banger content and more banger reactions and more banger content. So and I'll see you next time. Trippers signing out, and peace out, Short Legends, and peace out, everyone.